Hello Quillers, in today's video we are going to make these poinsettias. So I have two of them. So this is one design and this is the other one, and I will also show you how to use them in different ways. First, let us see the supplies. You need your quilling tool, your paper strips. I'm going to use some mud shade, so it's a bit red and muddy, or the brick red color. A tweezer, quilling board, or you can use a circle scale for this, and then some glue and glue board. First, let us start with this design. So for this, I am going to use full strips of the paper. Of course, you can make them in many different colors like the green, red, coral shade, white, and they all will look so good. So now I'm going to first make a coil using full strip of the paper. Then I'm going to use the bigger circle size, the 20 number one, and then I'm going to pinch in the top, making it to be a teardrop shape, and then apply some glue to the tip. Now I'm going to push it to bring this shape. Now I'm going to make even more kings to the other longer sides. So when I flatten it up, you can get this shape. So for making one of them, I will be needing 5 of these petals. Now to stick them, I am going to apply some glue over the tips and then stick them just like flowers. So it is done. So in this, you can leave it just in one single layer like this, or you can attach 2 of the pieces like this to make a double layer to create more interest. And now for the center part, I'm going to take some glue, put it over the center, and I'm using some beads and put it over it. It will take some time to stick, so after that we can use it. Let me show you what I have done using it. In this card, I have used only a single layer, so it is easy for me to post it. So here I have used 2 flowers, and in the third flower I have removed the top 2 petals, and the center is made using shiny stones. In this one, I have also attached a small ring with the same color and added a tag so that I can use it as a Christmas ornament. So you can do this. And now for this one, we need two different sizes of the petals. This is a smaller one and this is larger one. So I am going to choose these 2 sizes of my circle scale, the 15 number and the 20 number. So you can choose any 2 different sizes of circle for this. And for the bigger one, I'm going to use a full strip of paper. To make the work faster, I'm using my electric quilling tool. So the bigger petals are made using the 20 number size and a full strip. And for the smaller one, I'm just taking a half strip. Again, I'm going to make a loose coil. So the one for the top layer is made with a smaller size and the other one is with a bigger size. Now I'm going to grab it, press it like an eye shape, and then bend the ends in opposite directions so I get a curved eye shape. In the same way, I'm taking the bigger size loose coil. Again, I'm going to make an eye shape, pinch it on both the sides to make the eye shape, and then twist it in opposite directions. Now I will be needing around 8 of these different sizes. Here I'm going to take a file leaf for me to work on. Let us glue down all these pieces. So I will, as I said earlier, I need about 8 pieces of them, and I am going to glue them like a flower. It can be in random directions and it is not necessary to be very perfect. Then now I'm taking the bigger petals to do the same. So we can do this and allow them to dry. Once they are dried, we can peel them off from the file leaf. Apply some glue over the bigger flower shape and then put the smaller one over it. Again, for the center part, for the pollens, I'm applying some white glue and adding some bigger size beads than the one we used before. So these two are done now. Now let me know which design do you like, that first one or the second one. Do let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.